Our wrapping up for today's lecture. Today is a very historical moment that all of us, witnessed. There's a social unrest was occurred in United States, and we should, as a students who are willing to study Buddhism throughout this course, I'm challenging you to looking at this event into part of your life and accepting and observe it, watching it, how it evolves and how it ended, and using as a mirror to looking back to yourself. What can you do to improve it? Improve your own self to change the world, not against it, trying to criticize whatever it is. It is different perspective than normal answers that we've seen in the media, but as a Buddhist perspective, it is a legitimate inquiry to looking at it different way. And as a religion, you have always seen this event, and you have to sympathize all the people who got involved, and you have to give compassion and give prayer to all those people are affected by it. All the people, including everyone, plus yourself. That will give you as a homework of your lifetime that we can, using this event to getting better society, to improve ourselves, and eventually will be advanced to the next level. That's our hope, and we never give up our hope, no matter what happened. We have to be mentally, spiritually strong, not to influenced by these negative energies, even though you observe it, but you are not bombarded by all these negative things. Try to be centered by yourself, trying to be awakened, not a little bit of detachment. Try not to involve too much. Your thoughts has to be a little bit of detached, so you can see it more objectively. And being yourself more sanitized mentally, and be safe physically. I wish all you are safe and sound, and pray for all of you and your families and anyone who got involved in this soon will get away from it and find happiness into our life again, back to our normal self and normal society. So critical time, really good chance to think about it relating to our lecture here, and hope everyone gets some answers out of it soon. And thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.